Listen, it's really been a couple of days for South Carolina rather than South Jersey. We look at our webcam in Brigantine. It just looks beautiful out there, and temperatures very warm right now. We're in the 70s for most places on the mainland, 60s over at the shore. And for our outdoor dining forecast for today, 5 stars. It is very hard to get a 5-star kind of day here for outdoor dining during the month of November, but we have it for a 5th day in a row. As we go into Wednesday, lunch is looking great, but I do have to knock down a couple of stars for dinner time here as rain will be moving in. And then we're talking about damper and chillier conditions for our Thursday. Let's take it to the tropics. We have Ada right now, Tropical Storm Ada, just to the west of Cuba. It'll be moving west very slowly, turn into a hurricane, then diminish again, could even make landfall in the panhandle of Florida as a tropical depression this weekend. That would be the 4th landfall the storm makes. Then as we go on to the open Atlantic, Tropical Storm Theta. It is not going to bring any impacts to land, but this storm is notable because we now have the record for the most active hurricane season on record in the Atlantic Hurricane Basin with 29 named storms. Truly historic here across the Atlantic Ocean into the Gulf of Mexico. We also have the record for the most number of U.S. landfalls with 12, and that 12th one came with Ada when it went across the Florida Keys. For today, temperatures will be at 76 on the mainland, 70 at the shore. Continuing to feel more like mid-September than mid-November here in South Jersey. A couple more clouds at the shore area and around the Parkway corridor. More sunshine as you go inland. Does look like we will tie the record. That will be our 4th day in a row of a tied or broken high temperature record at Atlantic City International Airport. That is our longest such streak since 2001. Over at the Marina, 70 degrees for our high temperature today. Will sit shy of the record, but still quite nice here along the islands. As we go into tonight, low temperatures around 60 degrees. This is more like Labor Day weekend, everybody here. Rather than the middle of November, we are clouding up, and that cloud cover provides a blanket over us. That's why we're so mild at night. And it's a windows open kind of night here in South Jersey. Then as we go into our Veterans Day, any morning services are looking very good here. And on the mild side, of course, we're staying mild even as the clouds come on in. But the rain will come after dark here. And then we're going to see heavy rain for a good portion of our Wednesday night. Let's take a look at our futurecast here. This is now at 1 p.m. Now we're going into the afternoon, evening hours, overnight hours. See those darker greens moving in, especially during the pre-dawn hours on our Thursday going into Thursday morning. This really wraps up during the early afternoon on Thursday. However, we could still see a shower or two really into Thursday night. In terms of rainfall, 2 to 3 inches for the area. That's a bump up from our earlier forecast here. I do still think the stream and creek flooding will be on the lower side. We can handle a lot of moisture here just because of our sandy soil as well as the dry weather we've had over the past couple of days. Here's our mainland 7-day forecast. Again, as we go to Thursday, it's not really a washout for the afternoon, but it's not a nice afternoon either. Damp and dreary. We will see sunshine for our Friday and Saturday too, but notice those temperatures, they're back down, and that's more seasonable for this time of year. Still pretty comfortable for mid-November standards. We'll have another shot of rain on Sunday, and then Monday, we will be dry here across the area. We'll be back with you at 6:30 tonight. We're going to talk to you more about these record high temperatures and another update on Wednesday's rain. You can follow me on social media for the latest, or you can always come back to our website, thepressofac.com/weather.